So today is a day to feel very unsafe because Disembodied Tyrant has released a new song. And for those who know Disembodied Tyrant, yeah, well, it's basically how many breakdowns and insanity do you want? The simple answer is basically yes. Because it's just so stuffed with everything brutal, everything epic, symphonic elements, seriously crazy stuff. The last two EPs, The Tower Part 1 and The Poetic Edda, was like out of this world material for such an unknown and underground band basically. And we are going to check out 8.6 Blackout. That's the song title. And I can definitely say that this will be something to work out for. So let's jump straight in. Disembodied Tyrant, here we go.
I made my mistakes, but in all of my years of public life, I have never profited.
Okay, political?
From public service. I've earned every cent. And in all of my years,
I'm not liking the organ in the background. It's already like too ominous. I should have done my prayers because this will tear me apart for sure. How are we starting this? The switch. Yes. It's just so insanely fast. I'm done. This is freaking probably the heaviest song so far of the year. Well done. Oh, yep. Breakdown coming in. Some more, or oh, what is it? I don't know how they do it. It's just always the same idea that they follow, and it's just so refreshing every time they release a song. It's crazy. It's just crazy. It's insanely fast. It's epic. It's symphonic. It's deathcore. Post deathcore. This is the new kind of stuff. Like the thing I did recently in Netherwalker. Similar idea. It's just so many different ideas and overloaded with a lot of elements. So again, a song to definitely listen to a few times, like to get the whole aspect. But this is maybe we get a record or an EP soon. But promising, very very promising. And is this the heaviest song of 2025 so far? Yes. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and let me know what else I should react to. Again, I can only do these things on weekends, so that's why I'm always a bit late to the party. But hey, better late than never, right? So thank you very much for joining today, and see you very soon. Cheers.